Welcome to Kokatech. Today we're witnessing the ultimate firewood splitting machines. Fast, powerful, and effortless. Just look at that. Logs getting split in the blink of an eye, like magic. No more swinging axes, just push a button and enjoy the show. Sit back, sip your tea or coffee, and let us know what you think. Where are you watching from? Drop a comment and connect with everyone. The Beast Timber Pro TL755D storms the forest like a steel warrior. That Quadco 27SC hot saw spins, and trees drop like dominoes. Power, speed, efficiency, this machine has it all. It's not just cutting wood, it's delivering pure destruction. Oh boy, this might be the peak of confusion. I've never seen anything this crazy yet entertaining. But hey, if you like this, comment 1.
Ay, Dios santo. ¡Ah! A la verga, compa. Oh my god. Oh my god.
The Tyrex log splitter goes to work like a beast. No log stands a chance. It's split in an instant. Speed, power, efficiency, all packed into this machine. Just look at it, turning logs into firewood like crackers. If you're still using an axe, it's time to rethink your life choices. Turbo is an absolute off-road beast. Huge rocks, tough terrain, no problem. The driver handles it like a warrior. Wheels spinning, logs rolling, and the road belongs to him. A masterful turn, an obstacle-crushing move. This is as badass as it gets. This is the next-gen beast, the mobile Tomruk Soima Machinizi. You're witnessing a steel whirlwind with a patented stripping system that peels logs from 20 centimeters to 55 centimeters without leaving a scratch on the wood. Whether it's deep in the forest or inside a factory yard, no problem. Electric power or tractor-driven, bring it on. With 17 kilowatts of power and a processing speed of 15 cubic meters per hour, this machine takes down a 40-centimeter diameter, 1-meter-long log in just 100 seconds. So fast the tree doesn't even realize what hit it. Once it kicks into gear, don't blink, or you'll miss a high-speed wood stripping performance. The Fresa Tornado 600 is an absolute stump-chewing beast. It bites, it shreds, it pulverizes roots like a pack of squirrels devouring acorns. Fast, ruthless, and with zero hesitation. With ultra-durable tungsten and direct drive transmission, this machine wastes no time. Watching it devour stumps is pure satisfaction. If you need a site cleared, just unleash this beast, and not a single trace will be left behind. Battling the stump like a modern-day warrior. The high lift jack strains, metal screeches, the ground trembles. The stubborn stump stands no chance against human determination. One more pull, boom, victory! Welcome to the world of the rocking saw, where every swing hits like a high-powered symphony. You're witnessing a jaw-dropping performance by the Villeneuve, also known as the Hinterforays, the ultimate firewood cutting weapon, combining efficiency with absolute safety. Set it up right, use it like a pro, and watch the logs surrender like ripe fruit in a storm. And if you thought only axes were cool, wait until you see this round blade warrior in action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow woodcutting fans, because this is the secret weapon for turning heavy labor into a high-speed show. The Komatsu WA250PT is tearing through the deep snow like a beast. Wheels crushing the ice, blade throwing snow into the air. Nothing can stand in its way. The logs need to roll, and Komatsu is the warrior clearing the path. saw blade spins, wood flies, and the sound screams like a symphony of steel and timber. This 1937 circular saw is still fighting like a seasoned warrior. But watch out, that wobbling blade could turn into a steel grenade at any moment. Let's hope it holds up because this performance is absolutely thrilling. "76 tons of pressure? This isn't a log splitter. This is a wood shredding beast. One button, one crack, boom! A log the size of a car gets split like an ice cream stick. Remote control? Just stand back like a god and watch the wood tear itself apart." Welcome to the world of the rocking saw, where every swing hits like a high-powered symphony. You're witnessing a jaw-dropping performance by the Bilano Ferez, also known as the Hinta Ferez, the ultimate firewood cutting weapon, combining efficiency with absolute safety. Set it up right, use it like a pro, and watch the logs surrender like ripe fruit in a storm. And if you thought only axes were cool, wait until you see this round blade warrior in action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow woodcutting fans, because this is the secret weapon for turning heavy labor into a high-speed show.
Sweet.
Stylem S4 62C-M, a true beast. Full tank, razor-sharp chain, just pull the trigger, and wood flies everywhere. But wait, is that guy lighting a cigarette while refueling? Oh man, this isn't Fast and Furious. One small mistake, and the whole forest goes up in flames. Rick just took firewood splitting to the next level. This platform isn't just an idea, it's a full-blown revolution in the woodyard. One push of a button, hydraulics roar, and logs snap into place. This isn't splitting firewood anymore. This is running heavy machinery. This is the Vaughan Model L drag saw, a mechanical beast straight from the 1930s to 1940s, powered by a 2-cycle engine with 3.5 horsepower and a massive 7-foot blade. Yes, 7 feet, folks. Every stroke is a swing at history, and just hearing that engine roar is enough to make modern machines bow in respect. Komatsu 911CX tearing through that spruce forest like a beast on a mission. Precision, power, and pure efficiency. This machine doesn't cut trees, it commands them to fall. Imagine this in 60 frames per second. That'd be like watching a high-speed action movie, but in real life.